The agri business in India is estimated to be over 20 lakh crores, with opportunities in the areas of soil management, productivity improvement, water management, efficient supply chains, food processing, branded foods, and many more. In Mahindra, the Mahindra agri business, with its vision of delivering farm tech prosperity, is leveraging the large customer base of our tractor owners, and we are offering end-to-end solutions to the farmers. In our portfolio, we have the input business and the output business. The input business, we are in seeds, agri-chemicals, seed potato, micro irrigation, and in the output side, we are in fresh fruits, pulses, edible oils, and dairy. We are also into agri advisory services through Samriddhi centers. Recently, we have restructured our agri businesses. Businesses like the crop care business, seeds, seed potato, pulses, edible oils, and dairy business have now been consolidated under a single entity called Mahindra Agri Solutions. However, the micro irrigation business continues to be in EPC Industry Limited, which is an independent entity. Let me now talk to you about the performance of F16. We had a 55% growth in our revenue in F16 over F15, and over the last 5 years, we have had a growth of 12 times. And during this journey, we have been able to impact the lives of lakhs of farmers by offering them farm tech prosperity. Let me now talk to you about our growth strategy. On the input business, we focus a lot on building R&D capability and partnerships. This has put us in a very robust position to deliver on the input side. We have a very unique concept called Samriddhi, where we have more than 250 centers all over the country, and these centers offer agri advisory services, and we work very closely with farmers to help them improve their productivity, and also through the centers we supply our high quality agri inputs, and through this we are actually able to offer a complete end-to-end solution to Indian farmers. Coming to the output side, it's a new business for us. We have recently launched 2 brands, Saboro and Nupro. Saboro is for our fruits and dairy business, and Nupro is for our edible oil and pulses business. Our key approach for both these businesses, for both these brands, is to give an end-to-end solution to the consumer. We ensure the quality of the produce right from sowing to harvesting till the time it is delivered to the Indian consumer. We have recently launched our Nupro Tur Dal in Mumbai, Nupro edible oils in Kolkata, and Saboro dairy in Indore. By focusing on offering differentiated products which are of high quality, we are able to offer very unique solutions to our customers. Going forward, we are very passionate about impacting farmer prosperity, and we have a vision of impacting 5 million farmers by the year 2022 by helping them to increase their farm productivity and getting them better price for their produce.